Hi, I'm Katie from New Tech Machinery. We're often asked about lead times and how long it will take for a machine to be ready for shipping, and it's important information to know so that you can properly prepare. In this video, I'll explain why lead times can change and how New Tech Machinery calculates lead times for your machine. Whether you receive a quote or talk with one of our roll forming specialists, the lead time for your portable roof panel machine or seamless gutter machine indicates the time from when the sales team receives your deposit to when your equipment is completed in production. The lead time does not include the time it takes to ship your machine to you. Once your machine is ready for production, the sales team will reach out to collect any remaining balances due and will provide you with updates on estimated completion times. From a capacity standpoint, lead times refer to how many machines the production department can put together per week with a full labor force. The lead time provided to customers is just an estimate and is subject to change based on different factors including current manufacturing capacity, how many people are working at any given time, and current number of machine orders. To find the current lead time, the team takes the number of machine or accessory orders logged and divides it by the current weekly production capacity. For example, if the current backlog was 84 machines and production of roof panel machines was 6 per week, that would equal a 14-week lead time. Lead times may vary depending on other orders received around the same time as your order. Understanding the current lead times when you purchase an NTM machine is important for various reasons. It allows you to build a plan for upcoming metal roofing or gutter bids and projects. You can plan your payments ahead of time if you choose to buy outright or finance your equipment from one of our partners or your own bank or finance company. It lets you ensure that you've secured the necessary cash or payment or acquired financing before your machine ships. Here are some of the factors that can increase lead times. Increase in pricing or limited availability of specific products and materials, types of machines ordered or machine configuration, higher demand for machines or machine parts, availability of labor or workforce shortages, timing of machine orders, delays in shipping roll forming equipment orders and materials, unpaid balances on sales orders, and reduced parts inventory or not having the right parts in stock. While lead times can be challenging to navigate across all industries, understanding how NTM calculates lead times for customer orders and why lead times can change can help you prepare your business and projects as you purchase a new machine. At New Tech Machinery, we're here to help make your experience purchasing a machine as easy as possible and answer any questions you may have about current equipment lead times and pricing. Visit newtechmachinery.com or talk to one of our knowledgeable team members today.